Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So today, as promised, I'm going to show you how I use my moisturizing hair conditioner. As you can see, I've already done one section of my hair and we're going to work together through the last sections of our hair. So if you haven't watched the previous video on how I make my moisturizing hair conditioner, be sure to click on the link below and see how we do it. So this is our length for the last 4 years. It's been a struggle, but we're getting there. So this is the conditioner that we made, and I love the consistency. Yeah, it's really easy to apply. Also, it's going to be a really messy job, so make sure you have a towel, make sure you have a tissue that you don't really mind if it gets dirty. And if you don't like things getting into your nails, be sure to use some gloves. But yeah, it's a really messy job. So we start with the tips of our hair because the tips of our hair are the oldest part of our hair, and then they're more likely to break. So we usually want to take care of them more, and we work our way up the hair. Have you tried this conditioner before? If you have, be sure to comment below and let me know how it went for you. At the end of the video, I will show you some photos on how my hair looked after this conditioner. But yeah, I just put it all through my hair and just make sure that it's saturated with it. And sectioning the hair into 4 parts also helps that, we don't miss any parts. It makes it easier to apply as well. But if you have any tips, I'm always willing to learn, guys. Share your tips. I also love how this hair conditioner reverts my curls. So every time I apply it, I can see that my curls and my kinky texture comes back. Yeah, and I start to notice some curls and some kinkiness there, and I'm like, yes. I know it's weird, but I do like it. Yep. So we're just gonna continue applying, making sure that we are also massaging our scalp. This helps stimulate hair growth, so any chance you can get, if you're washing your hair or if you're putting conditioner, be sure to just massage it, because it also helps with hair growth and it feels really good. Like, trust me, it does. So yeah, we're just gonna continue doing that. And what I do is I then get a grocery bag, or if you have like a bonnet, if you're fancy, you can also just put it after you've put your hair conditioner, and you can leave it on for, an hour or two or 30 minutes, however you feel your hair needs it. Some people sleep with it, whatever works for you. So usually I just leave it on for 2 hours and just do some chores around the house, and then after that I wash it. So at the end of the video, I'm gonna insert some pictures and show you how my hair looked after this conditioner. So yeah, my hair wasn't staying in one place there, but this is just how you put it back, and then you start working on the other sections. Yeah, so let me know how you go if you do use this, and if you do like it, make sure you let me know as well. Otherwise, I'm just gonna stop talking right here and see you a bit later. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, and thank you for sharing. I've seen so much love in the last few days, and I'm super grateful. Yep, so after this I just put a bag on my hair, and I'll leave this for about 2 hours. And just after this, I'm going to show you some pictures on how my hair ended up for the next few days. Otherwise, God bless you. Bye.